Here is a quick little shot, just for you guys, to show you this is them in their apartment. They've gotten so big since their pictures. They're starting to toddle around.
They're playing in the kibble, but they really don't have any teeth yet.
No. And the one that you are interested in, you'll see there's two with black on the neck, and the one that is still available that you're looking at is this little guy right here. And we'll get other pictures of him up on the
Is that a
stove.
little squirrel call? Huh? Is that a little squirrel call, you guys?
See, they're just not real active right now. They're very cute, though. Their ears are trying to come up. They will.
They're just getting up and toddling around pretty good, huh? Hey, here, puppies. Another week, they'll be all over me when I come in here.
Mm-hmm. They grow so fast.
Hi, you.
Because I'm sleepy. You
Here.
wake me up.
Oh, he's got his ears up.
He does have his ears up? Oh, cool.
This one's trying to get an ear up. Come on, you can do it. This one needs it. It's gonna be a while.
Oh, attacking brother.
Okay. Take some pictures.